Hi guys, so I'm back with a trading recap. This week was better than last week because this week I had a good trade with a better size that got me out of the drawdown here. So now I am out of drawdown. Basically, I flipped the account. So with these two trades, when I took these trades, the account balance was 1356 and now it's 3200. Starting from the very beginning, the first trade that I took was here of sell. Like I mentioned in the last live stream, that I'm looking for this sort of thing to happen, and I was looking to sell. So I did, but as usual, I overtraded and took multiple entries before interest rate decision. And even during interest rate decision, I did a dumb thing by buying it. So I thought when the price dropped from here to here, I thought this is a correction and now the price will go up, but it didn't move up and I had to close this position manually, although I had a stop below this area. But then after the night and next day when the price came here, I entered here and I was so confident on this entry that I pushed so much size. Here was the trade, 250 pips stop, and I closed both of my positions with 1850 pips because around this area I had to change my bias and now I am long, as you can see. So the good thing is I can trade directly from TradingView from now on. So now I can log in my trading account directly in my TradingView and I can trade from here. So this is a good thing. So here is my current open position and with 100 pips stop, and I am targeting around here for 3000 pips. Like I mentioned previously, I was looking for this bar pattern. I was looking for this bar pattern and now I'm buying from here. But why do I have a very tight stop? Because there is still gap from here to here and it didn't fill the gap completely. So even if on Monday open, it wants to go lower and test this area, I just want to get out of this trade quickly. The stop is below London and New York session combined and the market closed early on Friday, as you know. So either it gaps up or opens from here and starts moving up. Otherwise, I just want to get out of this trade. And if it comes back to this area, then we will see if I can find another entry for the upside. From now on my FX book, I have set my open trades public, but I'll keep my stop loss and take profit private. So you will know when I have an open position. But please don't think of copying my trades because you never know when the drawdown starts again. I can go through these drawdowns. Maybe you won't be able to go through those drawdowns because now I'm going to trade this account very aggressively and compound quickly. Looking at my trading stats, I achieved this edge only by repeating the same thing on the same instrument at the same time of the day for years, not by back testing or anything. And now again, my profit factor is back to 1.04 and expectancy is also positive. Previously, my these stats were all right, and I said it that my strategy is still working. I'm only down in money just because I pushed size on this account in the past month. I had a 2400 or 2500 pips drawdown just because I pushed size, and in pursuit of making what I lost, I overtraded. I'm back on track. And again, please don't use my trading signals. The problem with beginners is they think that trading is a money making game. Trading is not a money making game. Trading is a problem solving game. And while solving a problem, you bet on the solution and you bet on your best guess, and the market rewards you when you are right. And consider money the fee you need every time when you want to guess the market direction or future price. So the present market price is in itself a problem and you have to predict the future price. And if you want to guess the future price, you have to bet some money on it. This is it for this trading recap. And from now on, as I said, you will be able to see my open positions. That is the disclaimer, and I'll see you in the live stream.